spooky cookies for Halloween. Let's get started. We need some egg and we need some googly eyes, spooky food coloring. Let's start with one egg. Did it crack yet? Okay, it's cracked. Now let's add butter. 1 stick of butter. That's all. What? Look at everything of cream cheese. And now you gotta mix this all up. Let's add the cake mix. Ooh, this is so spooky. Ooh, spooky. Ah. We are going to use our spatula and mix it all up. Oh, mix it. Mix it. I know what a witch sounds like. You know it? It sounds like a wish here. But I'm gonna be a witch for Halloween. Where you are going to be for Halloween? Are you going to be a witch? Or are you going to be a fairy? Or are you put in the batter with different bowls? Let's make some different colors. What do you think? Let's make one cookie green, a little yellow food color. Let's add a little bit of green. Mix it all up. Let's add some blue food color. Let's make orange favorite. Let's do it. Let's start with a little yellow. Let's add a little red and to make orange. Let's mix the colors by ourselves. Let's make this one up. What color batteries have? Spooky blue. Good job. Which one is colors? This one. Orange. Good job. What color is it? Orange to green. Good job, everyone. Now let's put them in the fridge and let them chill for 15 minutes. Now you gotta roll out little balls. Now you dip it in the powdered sugar. Now you put it on the cookie tray. Let's make another ball. Send the powder. Let me hear your witch noise. Let's add some spooky eyeballs. Put one on this side. I'm going to eat this eyeball. That's a high eyeball.